Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the exact steps to build a clean, minimal online store in WooCommerce using only free tools in 2025. First, choose a minimalist theme. Go to Appearance Themes, Add New. Search for Astra or Cadence, install and activate it. These themes are lightweight and designed for WooCommerce. Next, add your essential pages. WooCommerce will have created a shop, cart, and checkout page. You just need to create an About and Contact page. Go to Pages, Add New, create them, and add them to your menu. Now add your products. Go to Products, Add New. Add a clear title, a detailed description, and high-quality images. Set the price and inventory. For a minimal look, use simple, clean product photos. Configure your payments. Go to WooCommerce, Settings, Payments. Enable cash on delivery and bank transfer for free options. For online payments, toggle on Stripe or PayPal and connect your accounts. Finally, set up a simple shipping rule. Go to WooCommerce, Settings, Shipping. Add a shipping zone for your country. Inside it, add a flat rate shipping method and set a simple price like $5. And that's it. You have a fast, minimalist store with a clean theme, essential pages, your products, payment options, and basic shipping, all completely free. If this helped you launch your simple store, please like and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.